Hi, I'm Alan, a reference librarian at Riv, and I'm going to introduce you to the online resources at the Regina Library. To access these online resources, you need to first go to the Rivier University homepage, then click on the Regina Library link in the blue box in the upper right-hand corner. There are many resources available to online students through the library homepage. The main resources are the catalog, the research databases, the LibGuides, and the library tutorials. You use the library catalog to find ebooks, movies, and other items owned by the Rivier University libraries. To access the library catalog, begin by clicking on Catalog in the blue navigational bar on the left of the library's website. This is the library catalog. You can search by keyword, title, author, or subject. Use the keyword search when looking for ebooks on a particular topic. Think about your topic. What are the central concepts? Use those key concepts as keywords, type them in the search box, and click Submit. For instance, a topic on eating disorders and treatment could use the words eating disorders as search terms. Your search will bring up a list of ebooks, regular books, movies, and more. Ebooks have the View Digital Resource button at the bottom of the record. You can modify your search in order to see only the ebooks on the list. To do this, click on the Modify Search button at the top of your screen. This is the Modify Search screen. It is used to limit the number of items you see to those that are a better fit for your topic. You can use the location field to limit the results to a certain type of collection, such as ebooks or DVDs. If you want to see just ebooks on eating disorders, for example, set location to ebooks. All of your results will be ebooks about eating disorders. The next resources we will look at are research databases. What is a research or library database? Library databases provide you with electronic access to information such as journal articles, electronic books and encyclopedias, and data and statistics. Databases provide you with organized, searchable access to published articles that are free to Rivier students from anywhere in the world. To access these databases, you will need your university ID number. You can find that number on your MyRiv account. Click on the MyRiv link in the upper right corner of the website, then type in your usual username and password. Your ID number is listed on the upper left of the MyRiv page. Next, we'll discuss how to access these databases and choose the most appropriate databases for your research. First, go to the library's website. Choose Research Databases in the blue navigation bar on the left side of the screen. Choose a subject from the list at the top of the page to find databases most appropriate for your topic. Listed below the subject headings are the databases most relevant to that topic. You can also choose a database from the Databases by Title menu. LibGuides are websites created as one-stop shopping for research projects. The librarians tailor the websites to provide useful resources for your assignments. To get to the LibGuides, click on the LibGuides link on the left-hand side of the library homepage. LibGuides for current classes are listed in the center, but you can look up previous classes in the subject box on the left. Finally, library tutorials such as this one provide visual help in finding and using library resources. To explore the other tutorials we provide, click on the Tutorials link on the left-hand navigation bar. If you run into trouble, there are many ways you can get help. To start, click on the big red Help button on the right side of the library homepage. From there, you can email your question to a reference librarian. If you need a quick answer, you can also send an instant message to a librarian. You can also text a librarian with a quick question. Or you can reach a reference librarian on the phone. Congratulations! You've completed the tutorial and are now ready to begin your research. We hope to see you online. Remember, help is only a click away.